How to use Hum to search in YouTube app on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First open YouTube and then click on the search button at the top right corner of your screen. Here, click on the mic icon at the top right. Then click on Song at the top. After you've clicked on Song at the top, you can simply hum, sing, or play a song. After you've done that, YouTube will recognize the music and then lead you to the music. And this is how to hum to search in YouTube app on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.